Hey, this is Amy with another quick Forex analysis and trade idea. On this chart, this is the dollar yen, the hourly chart. What I'm giving you here is it's a strategy of its own. You can trade this day in and day out, and this is all you need. You want to wait for a trend candle. So if you look at this candle, it would be nice if it doesn't have any wick around here. If it's even further, it's even better. And you can clearly see that it has broken those levels, and there's a strong bear move on this. And there was some news and stuff going on around today as well. So it goes down, correlated with OPEC and oil and all that. So first you want to watch for a trend candle. You have that trend candle. Followed by that will be an inside candle. So if you have the lines on it or the banana indicator, you'll see a gray one, which means it's an inside candle, and it's a one candle pullback as well, you can call that. You want to go short here, have your stop loss up there, lot size calculated on this, and you can target those areas. A 5-hour target point is a very good for this, but you can also go for 10-hour target points, and that really works. So if you don't take this, and if you don't like the inside bar concept that it gives you a lot of fake ones, then don't worry about that. Wait for another trend candle, the continuation. So here you have the continuation, probably not just yet because it's not broken, but then after that you have the next one. So now you have two trend candles. At the end of this candle, or at the end of this candle, or somewhere in the middle of this, you want to put a limit sell order a pip or two below the low of this seed. And then you have your stop loss of 10 to 15 pips or above the high of that. Use that to calculate your lot size. This candle then will get you in, and you can target this area. So that is an idea of how to trade based on an inside candle. One is the standard way. You just hit the button and go. And the next one is a safer way. Whichever you like, you can use.